and welcome to my YouTube channel, and my name is Alice Amy. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to my channel. And guys, today what we have, in my previous video you realize that I showed you how to organize solid wood wardrobe from scratch, and I thought about doing another video on how to arrange and fit your clothes within the closet. Yeah, if you're new here, kindly subscribe to my channel and let's get started. I'm going to open it and then we start. So guys, as you can already open, and I'm going to show you how I put up everything. Up here, it's where I put all my dresses, and I make sure they fit in that place. In the middle here, it's where I put all my trousers, casual, official, shorts. Yes, I put all of them there. And down here, it's where I put my bed sheets, my pillowcases. I put my, what can I say, curtains. Down there, if you have a box or if you have storage boxes, you can put them down there, but for me, I put my bags. I don't have a lot of bags. I have very few, so they fit up there, down there. Yes, and when you come up here, yeah, it's where I put all my brows and official shirts, I can say. Yes, I put all of them there. In between down here, I put one side I put my skirts, and then the other side I put all my tops and t-shirts. And when you get on this other side, up, yes, as you can see there, it's where I put all my jackets and then blazers, and I don't have a lot of clothes, guys. And down here, if you have duvet, you can put them in this other big space, but me, I put shoes. Yes, if you find this video interesting, or if you're getting something from it, kindly give it a thumbs up as we continue to show you. Yes, guys, I hope you're enjoying this video. Tell me, how do you see my closet or my wardrobe? How have I arranged it? Is it good or is it bad? Comment down below, and if you have your idea, tell me as well. I can do changes. Like I said, up there is where I put my dresses, in the middle trousers, down there bed sheets, down, very down, my bags, and then yes, as I'm showing you, my skirts and my t-shirts are there. Up there are my official shirts, and this other side are jackets and blazers. Down are shoes. Yeah, so that's the full video. I hope you liked it. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Yes, thank you so much for being right here with me. Have a good day. See you in my next video. Bye.